Here's a great deal on a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and power seats. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive